Pang Dentista. Hello, Doc Brian.
Hello, Doc Jean. How are you?
Yes, very fine. And mga mamas and papops, Doc Brian and I are going to create certain series of what's wrong with the world. And we will and we will tackle what's wrong with the world with different topics about it. And I think it's going to be very exciting, and some of them are going to be controversial, and some of you may not agree with us or not, but it is our opinion, and you are free to also have an opinion, and hopefully you will join in our opinion by making a comment below, so that there is an exchange. Kasi corny naman mga mamas and papas kung yes, we don't get to hear what you think. And if you have a topic that you would like us to discuss in what's wrong with the world, then also suggest it on the comments below. And as usual, before we start,
puro W pala yun.
oh yes, yes. So as usual, if you like our channel or our video or our topic, give us a thumbs up. You know, like the video,
share, subscribe, hit the notification bell para lagi kasama sa mga usapan namin. Di ba, Doktora?
Yes. Okay. So, the first topic of what's wrong with the world is the going down of the number of people willing to have children, that in the end, it is affecting the population of certain countries. I don't know if that is the case here in the Philippines, but definitely it is happening, and one of the lowest birth rate in the world is in South Korea. Ayan. So, Doki, what's wrong with the world? Why do you think people don't want to have children?
I think, Doktora, kasi ang napakamahal ng lahat ng bagay. Kasi lahat ng bagay, pagkain, education, alam mo yun?
So, economics.
Hospital. Mahal magpa-ospital para magbuntis. Mahal magka-baby. Kasi parang period na muna magka-baby ka para may ka ng taxi, may naka-metro lang, gaso lang gas, diba? And thus, kaya ang hirap ng anak. Kasi kung titimbangin mo yung gastos na pwede mong ipunin, kitain, versus na ibibigay mo sa ibang tao. Tapos parang alam mo yan, hindi naman sure kung mabuti ba siyang anak o ano. Okay. It's not gonna be worth it.
Kaya nga, diba? So sa'yo, economics. But I will enter into one of the reasons, which is precisely the last few sentences you have said, di ba? Which is, I think a lot of people don't want to have children is precisely because we are becoming more and more selfish, diba? Kumbaga, we are more concerned of our own happiness, our own satisfaction, our own convenience, diba, our own comfort.
Diba, Doktora, uso ngayon yung alam mo yung DINK? D-I-N-K. Double income, no kids.
So, precisely nga, the world is becoming more selfish, diba? So that's why when people, ask for an advice, the advice is always say, do what makes you happy. Yan. Do what makes you happy. You will end up becoming selfish because you will be surprised, mga mamas and papas. The secret of happiness is really not about you satisfying yourself. It is really having a bigger purpose and able to do good things to other people. Yes. Yan talaga yung magic dyan. And you don't get to realize it until, you reach a certain age. Yan. Yung mga sa age
quarter life crisis. Diba?
Kaya yung mga Gen Z ngayon, yan yun eh. Kung bakit after getting all the things that they want, still, they don't feel happy.
They don't feel
satisfied. Ano pa yung, so, economics, second is selfishness.
For me, parang yung current events right now. Yung may parang right now, gera, parang di safe mabuhay right now. Kasi,
so fear.
Fear of any time na pwede magkaroon ng something na endanger yung buhay na. And para sa akin, not a great place to live right now. Kasi kaliwat kanan, may gera sa... parang nawala na yung peace sa mundo. Kaya for me, makapag-anak right now, I don't think so. Kasi until hindi pa resolve yung I don't think there's a good future for our kids until hindi pa nag-resolve yung mga problema natin.
Okay. The next is sa akin is losing the actual faith in God. Kasi nga, at the end of the day, if you do not have faith that God will provide everything that you need, then the tendency is yun nga, precisely, you will have fear of what's going on. You will worry about money. You will become selfish on a lot of things because you do not have faith on something. And by the way, mga mamaps and papaps, do watch our video about what is the difference between religion versus spirituality. Okay, and also our topic on having your or achieving your bucket list, which I think that's part of why a lot of people also do not want to have children until they are able to achieve the things that they have, on their bucket list. But correct. So, but for me, it's really about lack of it. So, besides economics, being more selfish, and fear, then the fourth one for me is the lack of faith in God. Ayan. So, last, Doc.
Ako, Doktora, kasi mas madaling mag-alaga ng pets kaysa bata. No, so seriously, diba? I mean, ang pets kasi, actually, in actuality naman talaga, ang pets naman talaga para siyang training wheels para magka-baby ka.
Okay.
Pero kasi ang problem sa iba, dahil nga, mahirap mag-alaga, wala kang time to do it, kailangan ka every step of the way. So, the problem right now kasi is hindi naman lahat ng mga tao right now is equipped to be a parent. Hindi sila equipped ng proper morals, proper ethics nila, or the way they think, the way they handle money. Hindi sila really equipped. Kaya maraming tao ngayon ay hindi ready mag-anak. Kasi sila mismo, alam mo sa sarili nila, sabog ba yung buhay ko? Wala pa ako sa gusto kong mangyari right now. Kaya ayoko mag-anak. Pero sabi kasi nila, Doktora, parang ang pag-anak na parang siyang leap of faith.
Kaya nga. So kasi, again, just to summarize what he said, I think kasi, the reason why, we don't want responsibility, we don't want difficulty or challenge, because that generation, especially now, are mostly entitled people. Kumbaga, they are entitled with their freedom, they are entitled with the money that they earn, they are entitled to choose, whether to stick with one person or to be with someone else. Kasi of course, if you have a child, you need to also be committed to your partner, diba? Because if you're not committed with your partner, then you end up bringing up the child on your own, which becomes more even difficult. And the more na you wouldn't like the situation, either, whatever. And that is really the problem, the entitlement of a lot of us. And I believe that is what is wrong with this world. So, yan mga mamas and babas, that we do believe that the reason why a lot of people don't want to have children are basically those things. Pero para sa akin kasi talaga, it's majority of that is wala na nga kasing foundation of faith in God. Kasi nga, pagka may faith ka in God, lahat yan yung fear, money, yung economy, entitlement, commitment, and all those things, you will learn to evolve and develop. And that is why, di ba, noong mga panahon ng magulang natin, Marami
Magulang
talagang
mo.
magulang ko, sorry.
Magulang ko, siya.
Oo.
Magulang kita eh.
Correct. Hindi, sa side ng generation ko,
yeah.
hindi na rin ganun karami. Pero at least, they have 2 or 3 kids,
yeah.
di ba?
Ngayon, 1 na lang ata.
Correct, oo. Yung sa magulang ko, correct. Yung mga boomers, talagang
paramihan pa.
mahina na yung 5, di ba? Although I believe in the Philippines, it's not that bad yet. Oo. Kasi nga, sa hirap, walang form of entertainment.
Yung rat race kasi sa Pilipinas.
Hindi. Talagang, I think, the more developed the country is, the lesser they are willing to give up, the conveniences and the comfort and the entitlement of not having the responsibility of having a child. Ayan. So, mga mamams and papabs, if you agree with our assessment of what is wrong with the world, why nobody wants to have kids, do comment below. Okay, mga mamams and papabs, bye-bye!